Which cleaning products actually do a good job, are worth your money, and are ones you should have on hand in your home? It's all the ones in this video because they work great, save you time, and all have 4.5 or 5 stars on Amazon. I have tried my share of cleaning products over the years, and let me tell you, they are not all created equal, but the ones on this list are my tried and true favorites, 20 that I swear by, I tell everybody about. They never let me down. They work great, they're affordable, and they save me time. And like I said, they all have 4.5 or 5 stars on Amazon, so clearly I'm not the only one who thinks they're great. Everything's gonna be linked in the description below. I also have a QR code on the screen you can take a picture of, and everything will be there if that's easier, and I'll pin them to the comments. Let's check them out. We're gonna kick it off with one that I am new to, but I have been so impressed with this. This is the original beeswax. It's been around since 1974. And listen, if you followed me for some time, you know I do not recommend furniture polishes. They create buildup. You do not need them. This does not do that, and this is for more than furniture. So this can be used truly on like every surface of your home. Stainless steel, wood furniture, fake plants, glass and mirrors, counters, backsplash, so many surfaces. So it's super convenient because you pair it with a microfiber cloth and just walk around your home dusting, polishing, cleaning surfaces that need it, and it's just using natural beeswax as well. It doesn't leave behind any residue. You will feel it and you won't feel anything. The surface will just feel dry, and it just gives that nice clean shine and a nice clean smell. This is 4.7 out of 5 stars, such a good one. Number 2 also is 4.7 out of 5 stars. That is Weiman stainless steel cleaner. I have tried so many stainless cleaners over the years. This is the first one I really loved. So many just leave streaks, or you have to buff and buff to get rid of the streaks. You really do not with this one. They have wipes, or like the trigger spray or an aerosol spray. Spray it on with a microfiber cloth, wipe it, flip to the dry side of the cloth, buff just a little bit, no streaks, it works great, and it leaves like a clear protective coating that you can't see or feel, but it helps prevent smudges, or if you do get smudges on your stainless, they wipe off easier. So this is my vote for stainless steel cleaner. Number 3 is also 4.7 out of 5 stars, a ceiling fan duster. In my opinion, there is no other way to clean ceiling fans than with this tool. It makes it so easy because you don't have to climb up on anything, and it's gonna clean top and bottom of the blades at once, and it's so quick and easy. The dust gets trapped inside, then just shake it out outside or rinse it under the sink, but it works very quickly. I tell you, this is the only reason I keep my ceiling fans clean, because if I had to get up on a ladder, dust them by hand, being close up, it just would never happen. So this is a great tool for knocking them out quickly. Number 4, coming in at 4.6 out of 5 stars, the Active Washing Machine tablets. I love these because this is so simple. This is a cleaning shortcut that you can take, and it actually works really well. So our washing machine needs to be cleaned every now and then in order for it to work its best, but who the heck is cleaning that thing by hand, taking all the parts apart? And you know, yes, you gotta clean some of like the dispenser drawer, take that out every now and then and clean it, but the inner workings, yeah, right, we can't begin to get to that. Active has designed these tablets to get in there, clean the parts that we can't get to, and keep your machine working its best. Drop one of these in a month. They say twice a month. It depends how much you use your washing machine, but a box of these is gonna last you 1 to 2 years. Number 5, a soap dispensing brush. Now I have a couple of these that I like. They're anywhere from 4.5 to 5 stars, so I will link a couple in the description. These are so nice, to wash dishes, that's their intended purpose, but I like to put a little dish soap in there or your favorite creamy bathroom cleaner and keep it under the bathroom sink. This way you can stay on top of bathroom messes so much faster. It's just an easy way to be able to clean out the sink bowl while you're brushing your teeth. Take it in the shower with you and quickly wipe down the shelves and the walls to buy yourself time until you can do a deeper clean. So they're really useful. You can clean the tub, a lot of uses around your home. Highly recommend having these on hand as well. Number 6, the Biokleen bathroom cleaner. This gets a 4.6 out of 5 stars. Now, this one's really nice because they use an enzymatic formula, so I really love it. I mean, I love it anywhere in the bathroom, but I really love it around the toilet because enzymes are the best for cleaning urine that might splatter around, especially moms of boys. And it gets rid of the associated odors as well. So one of my favorite bathroom cleaners, and highly rated too. Number 7, coming in at 4.5 out of 5 stars, Carbona. This is a stain remover for your laundry, and it is the best out there. This thing has not let me down yet. We are talking food stains, coffee stains, makeup, which is super hard to get out, mustard, I mean, you name it, and fresh stains, old stains, dried stains. Trust me, if anything can get them out, it's gonna be this. Number 8, E-Cloth. These are 4.7 out of 5 stars, and you can do one, you can do a bundle with several. They make a cloth for nearly every area of your home, and all you use is water, so no need for harsh chemicals, and they work great. So you can truly just grab these, walk around your home, knocking out several chores. I actually have an entire video, which I will link in the description, all about the uses for E-Cloth. They are great to have on hand. Speaking of non-toxic cleaning, number 9, Castile Soap. This is 4.8 out of 5 stars. This is a plant-based soap that uses vegetable oils like olive oil or coconut oil or hemp oil. And what I love about Castile is that you can use this not only for cleaning, but you can use it for bathing for yourself. So it's a body wash, you can wash your hair with it. Some people will bathe babies in it. They come in some different scents or unscented, but for cleaning, it's really good for makeup brushes or just general cleaning, you know, your countertops, your sinks, things like that. Now, the only thing I don't love it for is cleaning the dishes because it really does not create a lather. So I avoid it for that, but for everything else, it's great. Number 10, Barkeeper's Friends or Bon Ami. These are anywhere from like 4.6 to 4.8 out of 5 stars. They basically are sort of the same thing. I always just say the Bon Ami is almost like a little bit of a cleaner Barkeeper's Friend. Both work so well. They are a powder. Now, Barkeeper's Friend also has like cleansers and liquids too, but I love the powder for, you know, a lot of cleaning around your home, but especially like your kitchen sink or dirty pots and pans. I burn eggs every single day, so when they get really stuck on there and I can't get it all off with my pan scraper, I just sprinkle some of this on, let it sit for a little bit, and it all comes right off. And pro tip now, because a lot of them, Barkeeper's Friends and Bon Ami, they are this type of canister with the holes on the top. It's the only downside. You're like, well, if they fall over, I don't want them to sprinkle out. They do make these little lids, which I will put in the description below, that fit them, so you have a lid for them as well. Number 11, a Pumice Stone, 4.6 out of 5 stars on this. These are not just for the calluses on your feet. Pumice Stones are actually really great for cleaning. So specifically, if you have like a hard water ring around your toilet that just will not come off with cleaner, you can dip the Pumice Stone in water, always use them wet so they don't scratch, and then just lightly scrape it against that hard water ring where there's like the calcium buildup, and it'll help break that off. I also love this inside of the oven. If your oven has ever gotten those like black dots that just will not come off with cleaning, again, dip the Pumice Stone in water so that it's wet and it doesn't scratch, but that will remove those black spots as well. So a lot of uses for a Pumice Stone in cleaning. Number 12, coming in at 4.5 out of 5 stars, the Better Life Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is just a little bit of a cleaner ingredient toilet bowl cleaner compared to some others. So this is one that I like to use. It still has that like clinging gel formula, no crazy like strong smells, and it works great. Number 13, these reusable mop pads that fit a Swiffer. So this is 4.6 out of 5 stars. They come in a pack of 4. I love this because obviously it's reusable, not single use like a lot of the Swiffer dusters or mop pads are. You can use these dry or wet, and they're great for obviously cleaning your floors, but your walls, your cabinets, your baseboards, and then just toss them in the wash and reuse them. Number 14, Dawn Powerwash. Now I have an entire video of all the uses for Dawn Powerwash because you can use it for more than just dishes. So be sure to check that out after this video if you want some other ways to use it. Obviously, this one works really great for dishes, but I like it for cleaning my kitchen sink. It can be really good as a stain remover, stainless steel cleaner. So a lot of different ways that you can use this one, and it is 4.8 out of 5 stars. Number 15 is another one that might shock you a little bit because you guys know I like to use as natural of cleaners as possible, but sometimes you need the big dogs. So Clorox, the Tilex for the shower, 4.6 out of 5 stars. So this honestly changed my opinion a little bit on needing stronger cleaners because I had like the pink bacteria inside of the shower and the grout that nothing else would get rid of. I always try natural methods first. When those don't cut it, I start to move up the rankings, you know, in terms of how harsh or strong something is. Somebody told me to try this, I did, and it worked like a dream. And not only did it work really well to get rid of that pink orangish, you know, bacteria in the shower, but it hasn't come back since. So it got rid of the problem for good. Did I say 4.6 out of 5 stars? It is a good one. Number 16, the Pink Stuff Glass and Mirror Cleaner. Now, you could use E-Cloth. They have a glass and mirror cloth that you can use with just water. You can use the natural beeswax spray as well. or this is a really good one. This is 4.5 out of 5 stars and does not leave streaks on your glass and mirrors. Number 17, the best sponges out there. Scrub Mommies or Scrub Daddy, 4.8 out of 5 stars. So my preference is the Scrub Mommy because it is half like Scrub Daddy, like hard on one side, half regular sponge. And the beauty of these, if you don't know, so when they are in warm water, they get soft and pliable. If they're in cold water, they stay like nice and firm. Sometimes you want that so that you can really scrub something. So very versatile, they are cute, so bonus points for that, but highly rated as well. And speaking of Scrub Daddy, number 18 is their bundle. This comes with all of my favorites, 4.7 out of 5 stars. You're gonna get the Scrub Mommy sponges, then it has their Tangerine Clean, which is sort of like the Pink Stuff paste. If you know about that, it's just basically a cleaning paste with a ton of uses around the home. Then there is the Scrub Daddy Power Paste, which is a dream for glass shower doors, messes around the kitchen and like your stove or oven or pots and pans. And then it also has their gel that is also multi-use, but it's a really good stain remover. So that whole bundle, everything in it is great. Number 19, the only way to clean shoes ever again, these shoe cleaning bags, 4.6 out of 5 stars. This could not be easier. You literally take your dirty shoe, put it in the bag, toss it in the wash, a little detergent, wash it. They will come out looking brand new. My son had mud covered shoes that I put in here, spotless. And I didn't have to do anything but put them in the bag, throw them in the wash. So that is a win. These definitely everybody should have on hand. And lastly, number 20, a must for any pet owner, the Chom roller. This is 4.5 out of 5 stars. This makes it so quick and easy to remove pet hair from furniture or carpet or your surfaces. So you just roll it right over, the hair gathers in the chamber, and then you just dump it over the trash. You don't have to charge anything, don't have to plug it in. If you have pets who shed especially, this is a classic one I recommend everybody have on hand. All right, and that does it. Just 20 of my tried and true favorite cleaning products, worth your money, worth the hype. Hopefully you found maybe something new to add to your cleaning caddy. Again, everything's gonna be linked in the description below, or it'll be at the QR code on the screen. Check out that Dawn Power Wash video for more uses for that, and I will see you in my next video.